Hey everybody, Edward Kelly here, 188 Deadline, as always answering your bankruptcy questions. Today, doing a quick video about medical marijuana and bankruptcy. So this obviously is a brand new issue since we've just had legalized marijuana in the very recent past. And so where does that leave them? So the deal is many states have legalized marijuana, whether medical, recreational, or for various uses. Oklahoma, although still a medical marijuana state, in many ways is one of the freest. It was kind of done on the way out by former Governor Mary Fallin. Not much regulation, not a lot of specifics were put in place. However, for all these states, um, the tension is the federal government has not legalized it. It's still considered illegal at the federal level. And that may or may not change anytime in the near future. But while it is federally illegal, one ramification is that medical marijuana businesses are not eligible for bankruptcy relief. Um, so, these businesses often with substantial assets, substantial cash flow, um, don't have anywhere to turn to for reorganization or restructuring. Of course, many of us, myself included, predict there's probably going to be a time when the current boom, the bottom drops out. You may notice there seems to be a dispensary at every corner. And it's typical in business when a high demand industry goes into effect. You see, particularly one that's so unregulated, you see shops springing up everywhere, production, retail, etc., processing, uh, and then slowly, kind of Darwinian fashion, it'll weed itself out, and you'll emerge with a few big providers, and a lot of people will go under. So there's probably going to be a need in the next 4 to 5 years for bankruptcy relief. However, not entitled to it right now. So what's the hypocrisy of that? Well, the government still taxes you if you're a medical marijuana business. So they don't have a problem taking taxes from you. They just won't give you bankruptcy relief. So what can you do? As of now, not much. There is some legislation that your business can be put into a receivership. And receivership is sort of like a private bankruptcy. And, from there, the assets can be sold and distributed. But you're not going to have a U.S. trustee or the protections of the federal bankruptcy. So just wanted to put this out there. So for those of you medical marijuana producers, processors, distributors, if you're having problems with your business, just contact me directly. I'm staying up, Worth Law, my firm. We specialize not only in bankruptcy, but in medical marijuana law and representation of businesses. So we are on top of this. So if you have any questions about your options, it's very case specific. But give me a call, 188 Deadline, or you can always reach me at Edward at Worth Law Office, WIRTH Lawoffice.com, or on Facebook at Oklahomans for Debt Relief. We'll talk to you soon.